In this video, I'll show you how to use your Cash App card when shopping in stores. Before heading out, make sure your card is activated and your PIN is set up. You can manage both under the card menu in Cash App. You can also check for boosts, which are instant discounts Cash App offers, like 5% off at McDonald's or 10% off groceries. You can only have one active at a time. Next, make sure you have enough money in your Cash App balance, since the cash card only spends what's already in your account. To see or add money, open the first tab and tap Add Cash if needed. At the store, scan your items, select credit or debit, and insert your card into the PIN pad. You can also tap to pay if the store supports contactless payments. If you choose cashback, remember it counts toward your daily $310 withdrawal limit. Wait for the reader to approve the transaction, remove your card, and you're done. That's how to use your Cash App card in stores. Next, check out my video showing 4 easy ways to add money to your Cash App account.